Afternoon.
Good morning.
What time is it over there? Morning.
Yeah, it's a morning.
Yeah, you have a very big smile on your face. You have just made my day.
What?
You have a very big smile on your face.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So may I
Okay.
know something about you?
Yeah, I'm from Somalia. So my name is Mona. Um, I practice English now.
Okay. So you're learning English, right?
Yeah, I learn English.
How long have you been learning English language? How long have you been learning English
I,
language?
I have been learning English um 6 months.
6 months. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. So may I know in which class are you studying right now? Are you a student?
I'm a student, but I'm not studying English.
Okay.
I I, I study university in my major is a nursing.
Your subject is?
Yeah.
Okay. I got your point. Okay. So what would be the difficult part of language learning?
What?
So, what would be the most difficult part of language learning, on your opinion? In your
Yeah,
opinion?
most difficulty is before before I was not the line this application.
Mhm.
This is difficult for me, so I feel
Okay.
when I think the people I feel. So
Okay.
now I think
Yeah.
it's
So,
not difficult.
so let's talk about your family. Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have four siblings, two brothers, two sisters.
Okay. And who is the most smarter among them?
What?
Who is the most smarter among them in your sibling?
So we all smart kids.
I think you're the smarter one because you're learning English. Yes or no?
So I think it.
Okay.
So where you your background is beautiful,
Beautiful, right? So, do you think my background beautiful as you? No. It is surrounded by the nature.
nature. So
Mhm.
you you travel.
No, this place is situated in my village. In my village.
Okay,
Yeah.
you say village. So you are amazing. You say village and learn English.
All right. Okay. You're smiling a
So
lot. You have very big smile.
okay, thank you. But
Okay.
I don't smile.
But you're smiling right now a lot.
I stop smiling.
Okay. You stop smiling. Okay.
Okay, so you and do you have farmer?
Sorry. Could you repeat that?
So do you have farmer?
Am I farmer? Do you mean that?
Yeah, you
No.
farmer.
I'm not farmer. Okay. My mother sometimes they do, they say no agriculture things, but I'm not one of them. I don't like it. How about you? How old are you, by the way? Let me guess your age. Okay. Let me guess your age.
Okay,
Um,
okay.
your smile is telling me that you are 16 years old.
16.
16, 16, 1 6.
What's this? No,
How old are you?
I'm older. I'm older.
Older than that.
I'm yes.
18.
I'm 23.
Yeah, good afternoon from India.
Good afternoon too. From Somalia.
Somalia. You are from Africa, right?
Yeah, Somalia is East Africa.
Africa. Okay. Yeah. Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. So, ma'am, could you tell me your name?
My name is Katara.
Okay. Is there is any particular meaning behind your name? What is the meaning of your name?
Rabbit
Uh, what is the meaning of your name?
means
Meaning. You said that your name is Kahadra, right? So what is the meaning of Kahadra? What is the meaning? What does it stand for? What is the meaning of your name? Kahadra.
I'm not understand that question.
Okay. Okay. So are you housewife?
Yeah, I'm housewife.
Okay. Hmm. And okay, so how was your day today? How is your day today? How is your day is progressing, unfolding? Is it going well?
Yeah, just I the reading the book I lesson because I'm student.
You read book?
Yeah.
Okay, which book are you reading right now? Okay. So are you reading those books in English or which medium you're reading? Through which medium you're reading this book?
Yeah, just
Is it in
I
English?
read English.
In English. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That is great. So do you want to ask me any question?
Yeah, what do you do?
I'm working as a online spoken English teacher. I teach students, especially beginners. I rectify their mistakes while communicating.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How long have you been learning English?
I have been learning the language for more than 4 years, I believe. 4.5 years.
Oh,
Okay. And what's about you?
very
How
good.
long have you been learning English language?
Uh, 4 months. Since
Okay. You're still learning
because
language, right? Like,
I'm beginner.
okay, I think you started recently,
Beginner.
right? Okay. Great, 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 great.
Don't understand any.
Okay. But I really appreciate that you're taking, initiative to learn the language, even though your understanding level is very less. You have that confidence in you. I really appreciate. Good for you. Have that same confidence.
Yeah, because I'm uh, I'm 34 months about. Then
Mm-hmm.
I like in learning English.
Okay. So why are you learning English language?
Because the international language and everything in the work or anything I need the speak English.
Okay. So you are learning
Uh,
English because of a job purpose, right? To get a job. Okay. For job purpose, are you learning English, or is there another reason, or it's about like building confidence, or it is your hobby to learn and communicate with strangers?
I hope this work in the language English
Mhm.
learning learning.
How about your husband? Like, does he speak English language? Your husband?
Just my husband is not living in here.
Okay, so where does he live? He's working somewhere in another place.
He is living in Kenya.
Okay, good. Do you have children?
I have 6 children.
Okay, okay, okay. So, are they studying in which medium they are studying right now? In which medium they are studying?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Your children studying
the
in
young age. But
English medium or which medium they're studying there?
I tell him in the social media,
Oh,
YouTube or
mhm.
this and this up.
Okay. How do you learn English language? How do you learn? What are the activities do you do on a daily basis to improve your communication, to brush up your communication, improve your English?
I think the more listen, the more reading,
Mm-hmm.
I learning.
Okay. Hmm. I,
What will you advise? What will you advise
what is my advice?
the learning English?
Yeah, yeah. Show up each and every day. I mean, consistency is key. In order to speak well, you have to put effort, especially initial time. Because right now you're building your base foundation of language learning. So you have to improve your listening. Listen each and every day, at least for 30 minutes. Read something, speak to people on different application, or if you have any speaking partner in your village, somebody, watch plenty of videos on YouTube. This is how you're going to, build up your confidence and base in language learning. So I think it is all about
Uh,
consistency for a long period of time. And you're doing good. One good thing about you that, you have confidence, you know, to show off in front of the camera. So I like your confidence. And one thing you have to implement, that is a consistency.